Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best ASMR Pods is probably one of the most innovative and immersive audio devices to hit the market, designed to deliver a deeply personal and captivating listening experience that goes beyond traditional headphones, allowing you to truly feel the soundscapes and whispers as if they were right beside you, making it an essential gadget for anyone seeking ultimate relaxation or a unique way to engage with their favorite ASMR content. Number 5. TAGRY X08 True Wireless Earbuds. Never miss a beat with these earbuds. The charging case clearly shows the remaining power, ensuring you always know when to recharge. Enjoy up to 60 hours of total music time by using them in turns. Charge up conveniently with wireless or USB-C options. These earbuds are IPX5 waterproof, making them perfect for workouts or any activity, rain or shine. Pairing is a breeze. Once connected, they automatically link when you open the case. Easily manage your music, calls, and more with simple touch controls on either earbud. Experience a secure and comfortable fit with our ergonomic design, complete with multiple ear tip sizes. They are incredibly lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry anywhere. Enjoy rich, detailed audio with powerful bass and clear highs. Built-in microphones with noise reduction ensure your calls are always clear, even in noisy environments. Switch seamlessly between mono and stereo modes. You can even share one earbud with a friend for a connected listening experience. What we like. If you need earbuds that last all day and then some, these are for you. The extended battery life and clear power display mean you'll never be caught off guard. They are perfect for long commutes, travel, or anyone who forgets to charge their devices frequently. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, very clear and crisp. The battery life is impressive, lasts for hours on a single charge. Comfortable to wear for long periods, they don't cause any ear fatigue. Number 4. Logitech Blue Yeti USB Microphone, Blackout. Experience crystal clear, powerful audio perfect for all your creative projects. This professional microphone is designed to capture your voice with exceptional clarity for any application. Transform your sound with advanced vocal effects and modulation. Enhance your recordings and streams with studio-quality audio and engaging sound effects. Capture sound from any direction with 4 distinct pickup patterns. Whether it's vocals, instruments, or interviews, you can adapt to any recording scenario. Take full command of your audio with intuitive onboard controls. Easily adjust headphone volume, mute your mic, and fine-tune gain for the perfect mix. Achieve the best sound quality by easily adjusting its position. The included stand allows for precise placement, and you can monitor your audio in real time with zero latency. Get started in seconds with its simple plug-and-play functionality. Connect it to your Mac or PC and begin recording or streaming without any complicated setup. What we like. For creators who want professional-sounding audio with a touch of flair, this is the mic to consider. The advanced software and multiple pickup patterns offer incredible versatility for various recording scenarios. If you're serious about elevating your YouTube, streaming, or podcast content, this mic provides the tools to do so. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, crystal clear and immersive. The battery life is impressive, lasting for hours on a single charge. Comfortable to wear for extended periods, with a secure fit. Number 3. FIFINE AmpliGame A6V USB Microphone. Experience award-winning sound quality that brings your team closer. Its sensitive pickup captures your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, ensuring you dominate every game. Instantly mute yourself with a single tap to maintain a positive atmosphere. Easily adjust your volume with a convenient gain knob, ensuring you're always heard at the perfect level. Enhance your gaming setup with vibrant, cycling RGB lighting. It creates a dynamic carnival atmosphere, immersing you deeper into the intense gaming arena. Get started in seconds with easy plug-and-play compatibility. It works seamlessly with your PC, Mac, PS4, and PS5, allowing you to jump into games and streams without hassle. This microphone comes with everything you need, including a shock mount, pop filter, and tripod stand. These accessories ensure crystal clear audio by reducing vibrations and plosives. Designed for the demands of gaming, streaming, and podcasting. Its durable construction and thoughtful accessories ensure a superior audio experience for all your content. What we like? If you're a gamer looking to enhance your stream or team communication, this mic is a fantastic choice. The quick mute, gain control, and vibrant RGB lighting add both functionality and style to your setup. It's ideal for those who want an all-in-one solution with essential accessories included for immediate use. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, very clear and crisp. The battery life is impressive, lasts for hours on a single charge. Comfortable to wear for long periods, they don't hurt my ears. Number 2. ZealSound K66 USB Podcast Microphone. Experience broadcast-level audio with this microphone. Its advanced design captures your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, ensuring rich and detailed sound for all your recordings. Record cleaner audio in any environment with its intelligent noise reduction mode. It effectively filters out distracting sounds like keyboard clicks and fan noise, so only your voice is heard. Get started instantly with this true plug-and-play USB microphone. No drivers or software are needed, simply connect it to your PC, Mac, or mobile device and begin recording. Hear your audio exactly as it's being recorded with zero latency monitoring. You can easily adjust the headphone volume to ensure comfortable and accurate sound checks. Take full control of your sound with dedicated knobs for volume, monitoring, and echo. Fine-tune your audio on the fly for the perfect recording every time. Quickly and discreetly mute your microphone with a single press. The clear LED indicator lets you know its status at a glance, ensuring privacy and preventing accidental audio. Enhance your voice with adjustable echo control. Add subtle ambience or richer depth for creative recordings, or turn it off for clean, natural sound when needed. What we like? This microphone is perfect for content creators who need clean, clear audio in various environments. The intelligent noise reduction and broad compatibility with phones and computers make it incredibly versatile. If you value real-time monitoring and easy adjustments for podcasts, streaming, or voiceovers, this is the one. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, very clear and crisp. The battery life is incredible, lasts for days on a single charge. Comfortable to wear for long periods, they don't fall out. Number 1. MAONO PD200XS XLR USB Dynamic Microphone Kit. Experience superior sound quality with this dynamic microphone. Its advanced capsule captures every nuance of your voice, from deep lows to crisp highs, ensuring your audio is always clear and professional. Take full control of your sound with our intuitive software. Easily adjust EQ, compression, and even customize the RGB lighting to perfectly match your setup and vocal tone. This microphone offers ultimate versatility with both USB and XLR connections. Seamlessly plug and play with your computer or connect to professional audio interfaces for studio quality recordings. Adjust mic gain and headphone volume with a simple smart knob, and instantly mute your audio with the one-click mute button. Everything you need is right at your fingertips for a smooth recording experience. Crafted with high-quality materials, this microphone is built to last. It comes complete with a sturdy boom arm and essential accessories, ensuring optimal positioning and professional results every time. Whether you're podcasting, streaming, gaming, or recording music, this microphone delivers exceptional performance. It's designed to elevate your content and capture your voice with stunning clarity. What we like? For those who demand flexibility and professional-grade audio control, this kit is an excellent option. The dual USB XLR connectivity means it can grow with your setup, from simple plug-and-play to more complex studio configurations. If you're looking for a robust microphone with advanced software features and a complete accessory package for streaming or recording, this is it. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, crystal clear and immersive. The design is sleek and modern, it fits perfectly in my ear. Battery life is impressive, lasts for hours on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.